So this is the robot I built. It's got a Wi-Fi router on the front. I'm using a Arduino inside that's talking to the router. And then I wrote a mobile app that runs on my phone on Android. So I actually launched this as an open source project called the IP Gamepad. I've always loved hacking on projects, and my friends are mechanical engineers, wanted a cool project to tackle, so we thought, you know, let's build an off-road robot. And I really wanted to, you know, build a control system for robotics, so I figured this is a perfect, you know, meshing of the two sides.
This rocket was from a NASA competition that we built at Level 1 Hackerspace. It flies 1 mile high. And there's two really cool things about this rocket. One is it has an autonomous recovery system built into it. Instead of like a normal parachute that's circular, we have a parawing that's shaped like a stingray. And we bank the rocket into the launch pad. It uses Arduino Megas and a giant servo to try to steer that wing back in. This system here, using SparkFun parts as well, is a weather station, a custom-built weather station that we use to get some data and send it back to us wirelessly.
We're from Maker Faire Detroit. This is Mindflame. A company called NeuroSky makes these EEG headsets. They measure brain waves that occur at specific frequencies, kind of does some math and calculates your level of concentration or focus or attention. So we can pull that into a little wireless dongle.
Using a SparkFun level converter.
SparkFun right here. And the Arduino reads in the intensity of concentration. When it reaches a certain level, it triggers the flamethrower.
My name's Mike Kane, and I have a LED shirt. It just seemed like a cool thing to do as a Halloween costume. It's got 60 LEDs in it that are all controlled by a microcontroller inside of here. A circuit board with a voltage regulator and all the power and analog outputs and digital outputs. And then this is the Bluetooth adapter. On the phone, I have a Android app that I've written to control the color of the shirt. So I can choose a color, hit set, and the whole shirt will choose that color. So the whole shirt changes in a series of rainbows or kind of all together as one, or randomly kind of organically popping up on and off.
My name's Nick. I'm at Michigan State University studying electrical engineering. I love the site. I bought my first Arduino from you guys. The weekly product posts are hilarious. The pen gun, that was great. Oh, and the car horn one, that's some epic bringing. I love the according to Pete stuff. I learned so much from that guy.
I'm Jim Burke, and I'm in charge of the Power Racing Series, a $500 electric car racing series. So today is Sunday, and on Sunday we have the 75-minute endurance race. Every 15 minutes, all the cars are going to be required to pit, and they have to switch drivers, just like a real endurance race. There's points awarded for not only speed, but crowd participation. So if you do something to entertain a crowd, they actually reward you with real race points. That counts towards the championship. Usually about half the field fails before the end of the race, and the crowd gets to eat that up.